Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Bowsette on Jocelyn Press for Mario. I actually don't know what this character is. Is it supposed to be a mix of Browser and something else? Bowser? I don't know. But I can't make the back part, so we're just going to go with this part. It's still cute. You do need some VIP items for like the bracelet and the necklace, but apart from that, the crown and the rest are free. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the crown and the hair as per usual. There we go. Wait, this one? Okay. So for the hair, I use this hair in this color, CA9F61. Position the Y at 0.47, the Z at 0.42. Grab this hair in the animated toggle. Position the Z at 0.81. Rotate the Z to 0.47 and scale to 0.26. Grab this updo in the same color and this hair in the same color. And position the Y at 0.54 for this one. Let's go to the crown next. For the crown, I use this code in 675434 for both. Toggle it to the second one. Position the Y at 0.66, the Z at 0.33. Scale it to 0.17. Why aren't these earrings like, hold on. Grab these earrings in the same color and I'm just going to kind of position it where, okay, like that. Okay, scale it to 0.20, position the Y at 0.89, Z at 0.28. And then grab these earrings in the same color, position the Y at 0.84, the X at 0.59, the Z at 0.44, rotate the Y to 0.4, the X to 0.51, the Z at 0.47, and scale to 0.33. Grab this from the spring collection in CAA284, position the Y at 0.4, the Z at 0.6, and scale it to 1. And then grab this hat from the World Cultures area in FF74C5. It's here, by the way. It's this one over here. In FF74C5, position the Y at 0.66, Z at 0.43, and scale it down to 0.24. For the outfit itself, we're going to use this top. Turn off everything except for, well, turn off lace, and I think I did bow. And then the rest I just colored black. And then the fourth one I did like a gray color. And then the fifth one I did like this blue color here. Let me just adjust it a little bit. Maybe like this color-ish, 046497. And then for the rest of the outfit, I used this skirt in, in gray. And then in black. And then for the other parts, I used the skirt and only skirt in that gray. And then in black, and then I used this skirt here in gray and black as well, and then that usual skirt that we use in only skirt in that gray color for everything else. For the accessories, I did have to, okay, let me just put on some shoes, just these heels in black. For the accessories, I did use some VIP items because we do need this like necklace. And then in black, and then in this, in this gray, and then in that gray as well. Hello? Can I color stuff properly, please? Okay, that's a little bit dark. There we go. Grab these like bracelets here in black and then in that gray again. And then I grabbed this bracelet too in the color black. If you don't have that though, you can use just the like gold bracelet in the Valentine's Day area. This one in black. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.